Hi my loves, welcome back to a super fun video. As you can see from the title, this video is a luxury birthday gift swap with my good friend Charis from LVloverCC. Now, we did this last year and it was so much fun, and Charis and I are actually really good friends. We've known each other for about 5-6 years now, and we met through YouTube, and we always chat over the phone about family, about the kids, about anything and everything. So we were gonna buy each other gifts anyway, and since you guys loved what we did last year, we thought, let's do it again this year because we think it's so much fun. And so this year we've done it a little bit different. One, we have decided to do like a rainbow theme. So what we did is I found this random color wheel generator, and what we had to do is that we had to randomly spin the wheel, and whatever two colors I picked, I had to buy for Charis, and whatever colors she picked, she had to buy for me. So let me just show you that screen recording now.
Hey guys, this is Charis from LVloverCC, and I'm here to spin this. I'm gonna do 2 times to pick 2 different colors for Mel. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Woo! Okay, the first color is pink. That's a good color. I love that. Okay, the second one. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, the next color is orange. Alrighty, so pink and orange. Now I'm gonna send that to Mel, and bye for now.
So as you can see from Charis's recording, she picked pink and orange. So everything she had to buy for me had to be either pink or orange. So we kind of made it a little bit more difficult for ourselves, but it was so much fun. If you want to find out what 2 colors I picked for her and what I got for her, make sure after you watch this video to head over to her channel. I will link her video down below as well, and see what I got her. So we based this rainbow theme actually on I Can Sing a Rainbow color song, the nursery rhyme one. So that's how we did it this year. And then secondly, we decided to up the budget a little bit. You know, Charis just turned 40 and I'm already in my 40s, but to welcome her into the 40s club, let's up the ante a little bit more. So 1, it was a little bit harder with the color challenge, and 2, we decided it was going to be a 1,500 USD budget. So last time when we first did it, we were more like, oh, okay, yeah, just $1,000, but now it's like 1,500 USD. But anyway, I have finally received Charis's box, which is right here in front of me. This is a true unboxing. I have no idea what's inside, so I'm gonna open it up with you guys and let's see what she got me. Okay, I've got my scissors and let's see, oh my gosh, what's inside. So basically we said it can be luxury related, it could be food, but since we're luxury channels, we are gonna have some luxury, of course. All right. Okay, so I already see pink and orange in here. All right, so this is open from here. DIY pink and orange birthday card for you, Mel. To Mel from Charis in orange. Okay, let's see what she... Dear friend Mel, happy birthday, Mel. Hope you had a wonderful birthday with your family. I got some pretty things in pink and orange, as you know. Wow, so hard to find orange color gifts, but oh, I'm so excited to see how you react to the orange gifts I found. Hee. Hope you love them all. The pink is not hard to find since we both love pink. Oh, for the video, as you can see, I'm wearing pink. So many pretty things are in pink, but still had to think to decide, Mel, if you would wear them. And love. Enjoyed picking them up for you, my dear. Again, hope to see you one day in person. From your friend, Charis. God bless you all and your dearest family. I really hope Charis and I can meet up one day. I know a lot of you have asked us to meet up. Trust me, we are trying. So fingers crossed one day. So that is the card. And then inside, as you can see here, it's all wrapped up in pink and orange. Ooh! So it's got all notes and everything's wrapped up in pink and orange. So let's start off with a little one. Pink. Rose is my favorite, smells so good and also very soothing on your skin. Helps your skin silky soft. Helps your skin feel silky soft, I'm guessing. So in here, I'm Rose Revitalizing Sleep Mask. I have a lot of trouble sort of sleeping while I'm a night owl. So this is going to be really good. I can't wait to try it. Charis is always so good at picking beauty products. So thank you for this. And then next up, let's do orange. Sweet, little sweets in orange paper. My kids love these ice cream snacks and my hubby loves this mixed coffee from Korea. Try them if you haven't. So obviously the coffee's not orange, but she's wrapped it up all in orange. And I'm looking forward, well, hubby can try this too. So in here we've got, hubby will need to try the sticks of coffee and some of the Korean snacks. So Charis is Korean, so there would be some Korean stuff in there. And then let's move to pink. So cute and pretty. I see you wearing this cutie and looking so cute. It's got white, pink, and pretty pinks in heart. Totally love. Hope you enjoy having it and wearing it on you or on your bag. Oh, I see a box that looks like LV. Oh, exciting. So this is from LV, pink with hearts. I haven't been into LV for ages, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. And dun, dun, dun. Aww, so pretty. Look, it is an LV silk scarf with pink. Has it got? No, I thought it had. Yes, with red love hearts, I should say. How pretty is that? You could definitely tie it. Well, you could wear it as a neck scarf like this, or you could use it and tie it on a bag, like, you know, when you tie a twilly onto a bag. So that is so pretty. And yes, it's got the pink, white, and love hearts. So that is so nice. Thank you so much, Charis. All right, let's go to orange. Haha, Mel, can you fire this? Not fire, but put one on the stove alone with very low heat. Flip it back and forth till it smells good. Don't let it burn. Taste it and let us know. I eat this once a week at least. My all-time favorite snack. Okay, so Charis and I always talk about food. We both love food so much. So let's see. Oh, what is this? Roasted dry fish fillet. This is going to be interesting. I have never tried this before. Should I try one a little bit later and tell you how it tastes? So it's got Korean writing there, so obviously it's Korean. It's some dried fish fillet. All right, Charis, I'm gonna fry this up and try it after I finish all this. Okay, let's do this one. Just gonna say orange, hee hee. It's got nothing orange but pretty. It's got nothing orange but pretty. It's not fancy or good looking package itself, but nice quality. Pigmented and applies so well. I have different color shades and love it. I got you their brand new color shade. Okay, let's see what's in here. She's so funny. Just gonna say orange. All right. So this is the Dreamy Lilac Garden. Okay, so this is Korean as well. She's so funny. She cheated. This is not orange, Charis. I'll forgive you because it was wrapped in orange paper. So I've never tried this brand, but Korean beauty, I love it. So looking forward to trying this. Okay, next up, let's do this one. Pink package. I know, not all pink. I know, not all pink in this. Pink box, but these are good. Good for your skin, Mel. I've used every night pretty much after bath. I buy this every month and keep my skin glowing. Enjoy. Okay, Charis, it's a pink package. Let's see what it is. All you need mask set. Oh my gosh, it's like all different masks from, I guess, all different brands. I mean, you can't find all pink masks, right? That's pretty hard. So I'm gonna be all set for my face mask and having a glowy skin. Okay guys, how are we going? Isn't this fun? It kind of feels like Christmas. So let me just put that down and let's go to this long box. Orange. Oh yeah, this is little orange for your love. Hope he loves it as much as I do, and hope he loves orange color. For your love. Oh, maybe this is for hubby. Oh no, if it's for hubby, I feel bad because I didn't get her hubby anything. Kids, yes, but not. Let's have a look. Hermes. I think this is for hubby. Hubby, aren't you lucky? Let's have a look. So orange box, classic orange. Actually, come to think of it, orange may be easy. We just did everything Hermes. And in here, I'm guessing it's oh wow, orange. An orange tie with little horsies. Thank you so much, Charis. Please tell your hubby, sorry, I didn't get him anything, but there is something in what I sent Charis that can be shared. So I think he'll like that. So thank you so much for this orange Hermes silk tie. All right, I think we have 3 bigger ones left. So let's do this. Oh, what's this? Orange. I could not believe I found orange. I love for you, and wow, this is really good. I was convinced you would love this beautiful handbag. I want the same one now. Oh, what is this? Oh, Longchamp. Let's have a look. Oh, how cute. Look at this little bucket bag in orange. I have never seen this. I do have the Longchamp, you know, the classic Longchamp Le Pliage bag. We both own that actually. But this looks like it's like in Epsom-ish leather. It's got plenty of space. Doesn't have any feet, but it doesn't need to because it kind of stands on its own. And then it's got a little button here which you can clip. So there we go. How cute. I love me a bucket bag and I've never seen this. This is perfect, Charis. Totally fits the bill of, you know, getting something orange. I love it. Thank you. And let's save the big one for last. Another orange. Oops, not orange or pink. Okay, she's so funny. I've been loving this foundation. It's best-selling new foundation from Korea. Oh, we've been talking about Korea a lot because you guys know I also went to Korea. If you haven't seen my Korea vlogs, I'll link them, my Korea playlist, I'll link it above. This is a natural finish, yet covering all you want. Hope I picked the right shade. Try and let me know. Easy and so good. No, I for orange again. That's okay. It's all right. And it is from ROM and ND. New Zero Cushion. So it is like, yeah, a cushion compact. And you've got to peel it. I'm not going to peel it now, guys, but it's just like, you know, like one of the cushion compacts. So I will try it and let you know if it's the right match. But lots of Korean goodies in this. So I will put that there. Thank you. I can't wait to try that. And then lucky last, let's see what's in here. Pink. Mel, when I saw these pink, ooh, Jimmy Choo. Okay, I'm gonna pump. I thought of you so stunning and sleek. Let's have a look. So shoes. Jimmy Choo shoes. And I hope they fit. We did tell well, we're pretty much like very similar size feet and clothes and everything, but we did tell each other our sizes. So she did get a 37 and a half, and let's see what these shoes are. Oh, very blingy. Look at these. Beautiful sandals with all these beautiful crystals here. So this reminds me of the Bing, like they use this across the Bing, and I love Jimmy Choo shoes, and I actually don't have anything like this. So I am going to, oh, let me just try them on my feet. Please fit, please fit. But I will do close-ups, guys, so don't worry. But I think that they do fit. Yes, they fit perfectly. I will do some mod shots for you, but they're not too high, which I like. A good sort of, you know, thicker, it's not a stiletto here, but at least it's not super thin. But these are so stunning. What do you guys think? Now this is definitely fits the pink theme. Oh my goodness, Charis, that was so much fun. Pink and orange. She got me such a mixture. As I said, even though it's luxury, we wanted also to give each other some other, you know, gifts as well, which, you know, she gave me a lot of great Korean skincare and food to try. So let's go try frying that dried fish now. Okay, low heat. And I guess we're just waiting for it to warm up because it's already dried. So Charis said when it smells good. Okay, I'm starting to smell it, so I hope I've done it right. Let's try it. Wow, it's quite hot. It's like, I've had something similar. It's like dried cuttlefish, but it's not cuttlefish. But it's yummy. Charis, I like it. Did I do it right? So that is it for this video, guys. So much fun. I want to thank Charis so much for these gorgeous presents. I cannot wait to use them. Orange and pink, how fun. Definitely challenging on the orange, but you did so well, my dear. So if you liked our luxury birthday video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to head on over to Charis's channel to watch what I got her. And you know, the best thing about all of this is, even though the gifts are nice, what I love the most is our friendship and how close we are, and that we can chat about anything and everything. So once again, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys. I think Chino wants some. Do you want some? Oh, like it? I think Chino likes it. Let's see. Should be okay. I mean, it's dried fish. Going back. Do you like it? Is that yummy? Smelling. Chino approved.